and David Wong.
And I need to make sure you have the attachment to that My name is Gordon Jarrett. I live at Foxwoods Drive in the Flores community, and I appreciate the opportunity to share with you today 4 points about the boundary study. The bottom line position I have is that you not vote to approve this study until these 4 issues you have answers to. The first issue is, for some reason, the Flores community seems to be a repeated and unfair target in these boundary studies. If you will go to attachment A, it documents for you 8 attendance area redistricting or major curriculum changes within 10 years. Every 2 years, we seem to be a target for change, and we really do feel that is very unfair. We have another split of the Flores community. This alternative has Rachel Carson feeding 4 high schools, Flores feeding 3, and we ask you to please stop the study and continuing target of Flores community. We should not have to go to our 3rd high school within 7 years. Point B, we do not believe there's an over-enrollment problem at Westfields. The school's own data shows that it'll be at 93.9% of capacity in the future. If you will go to attachment B, if the school board is interested in addressing overcapacity issues, you do have 8 high schools that are overcapacity. That's about 1/3 of the high schools, 8 out of 25. Interestingly enough, Langley and Madison are overcapacity, but they were not part of the study. But you'll see Westfield at the bottom. It is not in an over-enrollment situation. Point number C is the biggest one, and this is where there's just some type of programmatic issue at South Lakes. It really does need some more investigation. 2 points on this. If you look at the K through 8 feeders of South Lakes, there should be 350 to 450 more students in South Lakes, and it's not happening. My second point is on attachment C. I've analyzed the pupil placement in and out over the last 3 years, and about 174 students at South Lakes, if you look in that right-hand column, pupil place out each year at South Lakes. That's 12% of the student body. So something there is really contributing to an enrollment decrease. The other schools are between 4 and 6%, much lower ratio. Point D is to ask the school board to develop an efficiency study. If you look at attachment D, the code clearly says that for the school board to do a boundary study, that it needs to contribute to the efficiency of the school division. So if there could be a cost benefit and an ROI analysis to develop that, it would be appreciated. Thank you very much for your time and attention.